Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Sunday restock, and I'm also going to be showing you how I do some meal prep for some snacks for my kids so that he doesn't have to come and bother me for snacks. I'm going to show you like little care packages that I kind of put together that he can just come and take out. And yeah, just like restocking of fruits and veggies after your big grocery haul. If you did not watch, I posted recently a day in the life video, and I also had a Costco grocery haul in there. So that was from last night, and this is what I'm going to be doing with all those groceries. Basically, when I came home, I just put them away just like that. And now I'm going to go through, sort through all the groceries, divvy everything up, freeze what I need to freeze, whatever. And I'm just going to kind of show you guys that today. So if you need some Sunday motivation, some restocking motivation, things that are just going to make your life easier, like just how to have healthy snacks on hand, so you don't have to worry about it. You're a lot less likely to pick up garbage if you have something healthy actually just readily available. So that's what we're going to be working on in today's video.
Okay, so last night after I brought home all of my groceries, I washed everything. I just dump all of my produce into my sink, and I fill it up with water with some vinegar in, and I let it soak for a while, and then I just let it lay out overnight to dry. Typically I wouldn't leave it overnight, but I came home late last night, so I would usually only leave it for a couple hours, but I ended up leaving it overnight. So I'm gonna put everything away, and then I'm going to just start refilling like our snack bin. So all of the, I guess, finger veggies that are already ready to go, like the baby carrots and the cherry tomatoes, I'm just going to stock right now. I'm just going to put them in, and then I'm also going to cut up some cucumbers and some bell peppers to finish off this veggie tray. I'd like to have a veggie tray because it just makes it so much easier, and I find that when I have it all ready to go, that I'm much more likely to dip into it rather than getting something else like chips or something as a snack. This is so much easier if you have it already ready to go. But if I don't, I'm not likely to be like, okay, I'm going to make myself a plate of veggies and dip if I have to cut it all every single time. So I definitely recommend, if you are trying to eat more vegetables and fruits as well, do the same thing with fruit. Once a week, just go through, get all your produce, and make yourself a nice tray that you can just pick off of for the whole week. It really is helpful.
I love you. I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do pretty much the exact same thing with all the fruit. And I was a little bit disappointed, I must say. Like, I bought these strawberries and the cherries from Costco, and I noticed quite a few that are going bad, which is so weird. Normally Costco has really, really good produce, but I noticed even with some of the tomatoes that there was quite a few that were bad as well. And you guys are just going to see me, I'm tossing a whole bunch of these strawberries because they're rotten already. So that was definitely disappointing, but usually I don't have that issue with Costco, so I guess obviously just let it slide this time, and hopefully next time will be better. I must have just caught them on an off day, but yeah, I'm going to go through and basically do the exact same thing with the fruit as well, so that I just have a bunch of pre-cut fruit ready to go.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before we.
So now that my fruit and veggie trays are complete, I'm going to go ahead and just take the box apart on this cheese string, this box of cheese strings. I'm going to take the lid off so that I can just have it sitting in my fridge ready to go. And I'm going to separate them all so that Holden can just come and grab one without having to worry about separating them.
Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay.
And next I'm going to make these little snack trays. So I'm just going to take these little silicone muffin trays, or what are they called? Silicone little muffin tins, whatever. And I'm going to use that for my dip. So I'm using hummus, and I'm just going to put a tablespoon of hummus in each one of these. And then I'm going to fill them with those flat, crunchy pretzel bites. I'm going to do some of them with those and some of them with veggies, so that once again, Holden can just go in and grab it easily. I can do the same thing. Whenever one of us wants a snack, they're there, they're ready to go. It's a healthier alternative so that you can just grab it and go and not have to worry about cutting all that stuff up yourself or going and making a snack. It's just easy. And that's basically the whole idea behind doing this, is just to make healthy eating easier on yourself. The more easier that it is, the more likely you are going to do it. That's why it is just so important for you to actually go ahead and do things like this. This didn't take very long. It took me maybe and I was filming as well, so that always takes longer. But it took me maybe 20 minutes to do all of this, if that, and you have all your snacks ready and handy for the whole week. Now I'm just going through, I bought all of these Greek yogurts, and I'm just taking them out of the box, and I'm going to separate them all. So once again, it's easier for Holden. He can just grab it. He doesn't have to worry about asking me to separate them for him. And I'm just going to stick them all into this bin here. He can easily grab one. And they are just ready to go, which is awesome.
Okay, so first of all, we have this huge veggie tray. And Holden does like quite a few different veggies, and he will eat them with no dip sometimes as well, so that's good. So he can just go in there at any time and just take out however much he wants. We have mini tomatoes, which both my kids love. We've got cut up cucumbers, cut up bell pepper, and baby carrots. Then over here we have our little snack trays that I made. So I have some with hummus and veggies, got 2 of those. And then I have some with hummus and pretzel crackers, got 3 of those. Then I just went through with this huge package of cheese strings that I bought, and I separated them all so that he can just easily grab one on his own. Then I have a couple of hard-boiled eggs that I already peeled, and I just stuck some Baby Bells in with that, so once again he can just go in and take what he wants. Then similar to the veggie tray, we've got a fruit tray. So I've just filled it up with cherries, blueberries, and strawberries, and they are all washed and ready to go. I cut the tops off of the strawberries, so they're just ready to go. And then I went through, and all these Greek yogurts, I just stacked them in this bin with all the different kinds in here. And once again, I just separated them all so you can just easily grab one. So these are all healthy, easily accessible snacks for your kids, so that once they're a certain age, they can just go in there, grab them themselves, and they don't have to be bothering you for snacks 24/7. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you were able to take some sort of inspiration from today's video, whether it be how to meal prep, how to snack prep, how to do a Sunday restock, or just getting you some inspiration in how to buy some more healthier options. Maybe something you haven't had in a while, you saw in my grocery haul and you thought, oh, that looks good. I hope you got some sort of inspiration from today's video, and if you did, I would love it if you would leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see